All right, Matt Breitenbach here with the Breitenbach Advisory Team at a very special new luxury listing we have. This is 570 and 574 Montauk Highway. A 12,000 square foot modern home designed by Oza Sabbeth, one of the premier luxury architects in the Hamptons. It's set on a total of 2.6 acres. It's two separate lots. We're on 1.3 acres here with another 1 acre lot in the front. With plans in place, you can do whatever you want. True East Hampton compound. Built custom from the ground up, built with one of our premier architects that don't do a lot of new development projects like this. Usually you see an in-house architect with a builder, traditional house, white house, black trim. This is a completely different custom offering. Can't wait for you to take a look. Send us a message. Talk to you soon.